Hey, what's up, guys? You know me. It's Jordan. This is my buddy Nico. He's a fraternity brother of mine. If you're ever like me, and you probably are, or maybe you're not, but you drop your phone all the time like I do, I had the iPhone Max XS. The
XS Max.
XS Max. See, thank you. He knows.
Yeah.
Dropped it. I had a case on it. It wasn't his case, but I had a case on it, and the screen cracked. But he came over to the office. He came and fixed it for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're going to tag him, so if you guys ever have any phone issues, he's your guy. But here's something that's really cool. He invented his own case. It fits all the different model of phones. It's called the Stylus Case X. Has a stylus in it. I was just playing with it. It's better than my OtterBox. I just took off the OtterBox. I love how it feels. Fits great in the hand.
That's how it looks outside.
That's how it looks on the outside. How did you come up with this idea, man? Tell us about it a little bit.
So I was using the Samsung Note for a little bit. You know, the Samsung Note, it has the pen built in, but I really prefer the iPhone. And then I realized why we just don't make a case that has the stylus.
It in it. Oh, that's how smart.
That's how the idea came.
Cool.
Because the stylus is really beneficial. It's like so much you're more precise. Like especially if you do any editing, like any software that does editing, videos, stuff like that, or even for Instagram stories, this thing is perfect for you.
Perfect, man. I like it. I was just playing around with it. It was fun. It felt really good in the hand. It's really sturdy.
Yeah, this gives like a really nice grip.
I don't know what you're doing because you make money repairing glasses. Now the glass isn't going to break when you have this phone case. So it's good.
Yeah,
so where can they get this?
I'm kind of working against me.
Yeah, working against you. Where can people get this?
Well, you can get them at my website, which is www.styluscase.com, and will be on eBay and Amazon starting May 1st.
Perfect. May 1st, Amazon, eBay, styluscase.com. Do you got any social media for them to follow you?
Yeah, I have Instagram, which is Stylus Case, and also Facebook, Stylus Case X.
Awesome. Well, thanks, bro. I appreciate all your help, man. You're awesome, man. Love you, man. All right. We'll see you guys. Have a good one.